Think of this as like a giant iPad or tablet. It's absolutely amazing. Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this amazing smartboard. I want to show you all the cool features. So it comes with 2 styluses and a remote control. You can also turn it on the front here or on the side. I will show you all of those up close towards the end of the review as well. So you can turn it on. It is Wi-Fi enabled, and so I have it hooked up to Wi-Fi, and so I will show you some of those features. You can use your finger also to control the giant tablet here, and it's really intuitive, super easy to use. So you have a whiteboard function, browser, your finder, which is where all of your files will be, and your apps. So let's go and take a look at the apps. It comes packed with lots of apps already installed. You have your browser, your drive, your keeper, and then you have your Microsoft apps, which is really handy. I added the Zoom app myself, super easy to download and install. One of my favorite features here is the whiteboard. I am a teacher. This is a perfect complement for any teacher's classroom, whether in person or teaching remotely. This would also be great for an office or just for your home. This version does not come with a camera. I did install an older webcam, so you can all sit in the room and talk to your family members and say hello. If you select this, you can do so many cool things like make it bigger and make it smaller. You can change the colors and do all kinds of cool things here. It is Wi-Fi enabled, so you can pull up a browser. I have my website up here. You can see websites on here. You can watch videos if you have a streaming service. And this connects me right into YouTube for my videos. The sound is great. You can adjust to the volume.
Thanks for watching.